subject I could ever follow. So I'm concentrated, looking at her all the time. I deliberated, studied how to make her mine. She stimulated every corner of my mind. They say I got a deficit, but my attention's really fine. I'm concentrated, looking at her all the time. This agitation went away. I'm on my knees, I gotta pray. The herb black and my white make gray. Can't solve a riddle, my hands just keep on fiddling. I'm on edge, and so I pledge to taste her lips on cinnamon.